Today I'm in Essex visiting Fenn Tool, who are a cutting tool manufacturer as well as a distributor of premium products and cutting tools. And I'm here to visit Mike Dixon, who's going to be telling me all about their latest acquisition. So Mike, I'm here at Fenn Tool. Can you give our viewers a little bit about your company?
Well, Fenn Tool started off 82, Peter Fenn started it. About 88 moved on to the estate down the road, and then in 2000 moved into this site where we are now. At that stage we bought one ANCA machine, soon realised we needed a lot more, and then over the last sort of 18 years we're where we are now, reinvesting in new machines at the moment.
Is it fair to say that the company's growth has been down to your own manufacturing in a lot of instances?
Definitely, because you're in charge of your own destiny. You can respond to customers' needs very quickly. Customers always want something tomorrow. We sometimes can do that, but realistically, we can turn around stuff in 7 days, which sometimes we as engineers are a bit frustrated at. But you go into the wide world, that's quite good. So it is a big selling side for Fenn Tool.
And over those years, how much have you invested with ANCA? Well, not just ANCA, but in technology in general.
Technology quite a lot. ANCA recently, over probably the last 12, 14 months, just shy of £1 million. This is basically for increasing our ability to produce smaller size cutters. They're a lot more user-friendly below 6mm, which was an area where we probably struggled slightly with. So with the new investment, we'll be looking to increase our range on those sort of tools.
And I know FX7 linear, it comes with automation. Why have you gone for automation?
We've gone for automation because there's still products out there that you can run unmanned. We're very busy day to day on products, but there are long running jobs where we will want to be running it overnight. And it's something that, if I'm honest, we're not very good at the moment, but that's why the investment's been made, to be able to run unmanned.
And I'm sure when you look at a new machine, you do go to market and look at other products. Why have you been so loyal to ANCA?
It does what it says on the box. Ever since we've had our first ANCA in here, we've been always happy with the support we get from them. Any updates on new models and everything that they've always told us about. And we've been really happy with them. So you don't go away from something unless you're happy with them.
And in terms of the new machine, what are the features you like? I know you talked about wheel packs and things like this.
Well, we've gone from being able to just have 2 wheel packs. The new machines have actually got 6 wheel packs on there, which gives you a lot more versatility in producing tools.
So on the new control, are there any features you like?
I think it's just so user-friendly. Touch screen, so you can actually get to any page, look at simulation, you can look at the pallet load, everything's on there. It's so easy to use, and it's a great plus point for the machine.
And I note we've got a big gap to our left here. What's going there?
Another one of these coming in the next 2 weeks. Again, we've moved out a machine that was a bit towards the end of its time, so space for a new one. And Peter Fenn wants to invest money in the company and wants to invest in new technology.
And just finally, Brexit, has that been an influence on the purchasing?
I think it's a big part of it because nobody knows what the outcome will be, but we see it as, if you're in charge of your own destiny, we can do something about it.
So you say you're in charge of your own destiny. Where is that?
In the UK, we've just taken on 2 new engineers, so that will help with the extra manufacturing we're going to be producing. Also export. Our export is pretty good at the moment, but we are looking to export even more. Gary Ridgway, who's our export director, is going over in the next couple of weeks with distributors that we use over there to look at fields over there as well. So at least we will be in charge of our own destiny.